guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My natural hair is really curly and frizzy, so I will be showing you my technique of how I straighten my hair. I mean, you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money, but there are a couple products that I use to eliminate frizz because my hair is like a poodle. But yeah, this is the final result of my silky hair. If you want to see how I got this beautiful frizz-free hair, and I'm an Arab and I have very frizzy Arab curls, you will see in the next clip. Keep watching if you want to see how to get this frizz-free hair. Obviously it's not silky smooth now. I mean, it's silky, but it's frizzy. My hair is really frizzy, curly. I never go out like this. I straighten my hair once a week. I always part my hair. I never just get my straightener and just start straightening. So usually I would probably tie it up, put it into a bun, get like these little clips, and then part it, straighten it section by section. The straightener that I use is my GHD. I bought this years ago. Bought it off eBay. It was one of the midnight collections that I bought probably 6 years ago, and it's still good. I would never really go to anything because I don't need to. It's a good straightener. It's always straightened my hair well, so I've just always stuck with it. So the first product I use, like to put in a protectant, I use is the Redken Frizz Dismiss Instant Deflate. It's just like a leave-in smoothing oil serum, but it doesn't leave your hair oily, but I only put like the tiniest amount. So section by section, as I straighten my hair, I would put a little bit onto my hands and put it, so I don't just get and put it all over my hair, just section by section. You're also going to need a comb like this, a real fine one that I've just gotten from Hair Mart. So after I've smoothed all that serum into my hair, I'll just go through it with the comb, and then I'll start straightening. Comb in, and just keep going through like that. I feel like when I use the comb, I just feel like it just straightens out more smooth, no knots. Also, I think this really gives my hair the shine. I mean, it's a frizz tamer, so it says it's going to get rid of the frizz in your hair. As you can see on my flyaways, like I am terrible. I've got really frizzy hair, but I feel like when I use this Redken Frizz Dismiss, as you can see, frizz free. It's a really good product. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, section straighten, and then when I get to the top, I'll show you what I do next. I found a grey in my hair like 2 months ago, and I couldn't sleep. I cried and I cried and I cried. It was like one of those moments that, like, oh my god, I'm getting old. But before I found a grey in my hair, I used to always have like nightmares of finding greys in my hair, or like I'd be walking into the bathroom and just seeing all these greys in my hair, and I'm like, oh my god, that's gonna happen one day. And then one day I was putting like my concealer on in the mirror, and I was putting my concealer on, and I was like I stopped. So I was like, nah, that's not a grey hair. I looked, and it was like from far to look a grey hair, but then as I looked, I yanked it out, I looked at it, and it was a freaking grey. Almost died. I almost died. I ran to the kitchen crying, saying to my mum, I have a grey hair, I'm not married, I don't have a mortgage. Nobody wants to marry me and I'm going grey. Oh god, what a life. What a life. Okay, so anyway, as you can see how my hair is like all silky? Oh shit, what's that? Oh yeah, no, hold up one sec. Okay, but anyway, besides what was happening at the back there, look how like silky and straight and frizz-free my hair is. Look at that shit. Got a bit more. Let me turn off the camera, straighten it, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I left the best till last. Don't put lip gloss on when you straighten your hair. The amount of times I was straightening my hair and I was like, So the last step, I use the Redken Body Full Volume Amplifier because I feel like it's quite flat here, my head, and I love that volume looking thing. So I'm just gonna spray a bit of that, but not all over my hair, just here. A little bit, massage that into my roots. See how that's like already lifted? At the roots, kind of lift up like that. And I love a bit of volume here at the crown of the hair. Get it from the roots and lift up. Alright, so what I finish my hair off with, Lorenzo Shine Serum. I'm going to put like a tiny bit. A little bit on my tips of my fingers, and do not put it on your roots, just put it on the ends. And then when that's kind of gone off your hands, then kind of go throughout your whole hair. So yeah, that's my technique. I am actually really sick of straightening my hair. So I was thinking of getting like my hair permanently straightened. So at the end of the day, yes, I am so sick of straightening my hair. I have been straightening my hair once a week since I was 13 years old, and I'm almost 30. So if any of you have gotten your hair permanently straightened, please comment below and let me know like how your hair went or what your thoughts were. I'm scared though, like, because I have heard that if you do get your hair permanently straightened, it dries out your hair and damages your hair. So I don't want to risk it. It's taken me so long to grow my hair. I mean, what kind of a boob would I be if I go and do that to my hair and then it ends up going all dry or ends up falling out? Let me know down below if you have permanently straightened your hair and it was good and you loved it. Okay, I finished. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial of me straightening my hair and how I do it. I will see you in my next video. Please like this video if you liked it. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.